Allison here at Vernon Volkswagen. We have a 2016 Tiguan Comfortline. It has the Sport package. It's got mudguards installed, factory roof rails, 18-inch alloy wheels. It is a one-owner vehicle. Previous owner had a hitch installed, which is great for bike racks and such. Tons of space in the back. The seats all split up and fold down nice and flat. We have a beautiful light leatherette interior. I don't see any rips or stains. It's in really good condition. We have door lock sensors on the handles, partial power seat, power mirrors, locks windows. It's got auto headlights, Bluetooth on the steering wheel. It is a push to start. It's got auto wipers, auto dimming mirror, navigation, nice touchscreen stereo. This car also has App Connect for the CarPlay for Apple and Android Auto. Also has a beautiful panoramic sunroof. It has 58,632 kilometers on it. For more information or for a test drive, you can call me or text me at 250-308-4367, or you can email me, Stacy with an IE at vernonvw.com.